Let's talk about uncontested divorces. I'm Devin Slovensky, a family law attorney in Roanoke, Virginia. So a lot of people hear the phrase uncontested divorce and immediately think, do I really need a lawyer for that? And it's a fair question. If both spouses agree on major issues, the process can often feel more cooperative and straightforward than a contested divorce. But even in an uncontested divorce, there's still important legal decisions made that can affect your finances, your parenting arrangements, and your future long after the case is finalized. In Virginia, an uncontested divorce typically means both spouses have reached agreements on issues like property division, child custody, child support, and spousal support, as well as debt allocation. Because there's less conflict, uncontested divorces are often faster, less stressful, and less expensive than heavily litigated ones. But that does not mean the process is risk-free. One of the biggest reasons people choose to work with an attorney is to make sure their agreement is thorough, enforceable, and clearly written. Divorce agreements are legal contracts. Once they're signed and incorporated into a final divorce order, changing them later can be difficult, if not impossible. A vague or incomplete agreement can create confusion and conflict down the road. There are also legal and financial details that many people don't initially think about. Retirement accounts, real estate taxes, refinancing obligations, parenting schedules, holiday arrangements, and future support obligations can all carry long-term consequences if they're not handled carefully. An attorney can help identify issues that you may not realize need to be addressed at all. For parents, this can be especially important. A parenting agreement should do more than simply say where the children are going to live. It should provide clarity about schedules, decision-making, transportation, holidays, communication, and how we even handle future disagreements. Another thing many people don't realize is that uncontested divorces don't always stay uncontested. Sometimes disagreements arise during the process, even when things initially seemed amicable. Having legal guidance early on can help prevent avoidable problems and keep negotiations moving productively. And beyond the paperwork, there's often peace of mind that comes of knowing that someone is helping protect your interests while you move through a major life transition. At Slovensky Law, we help Virginians navigate uncontested divorces thoughtfully and efficiently while making sure important details are not overlooked. If you have questions about separation, divorce agreements, or whether you should work with an attorney during an uncontested divorce, we're here to help you understand your options and move forward with confidence.